we welcome Dr. Vartigar Sharma from DAM Jhalawad for such a awesome rank of 40 aims. So beta, we congrats you on the behalf of DAM's family after getting such a nice success. Beta, how you are feeling now?
So thank you so much, sir, for addressing me. I'm feeling really awesome. I cannot actually express it. I always wanted to be in Delhi AIIMS for that matter, but never had the courage that I will get something someday like this. So it's unexplainable. I'm very happy.
Again, congrats. First of all, best wishes. Congrats to your parents who sacrifice dedication is, you can say, the main support for you for getting such an awesome rank, beta. So let us,
Yes, sir.
I want to share your journey, like you are our foundation student at DAM Jhalawad. So it is a big motivation for every medico for getting such an awesome rank of 40. So can you share the success? What was your rank in last AIIMS, last previous year NEET exam, and how you secured this rank, beta?
Yes, sir. DAM started in Jhalawad when I entered in my final year. So I had a kind of a little bit load that I have to complete all my 19 subjects during my final year itself so that I can revise them well during my internship. DAMS is DAMS. It's in Delhi or it's Jhalawad. DAMS is always awesome. So
Thanks for such nice.
I somehow Yes, sir. I'm proud Damsonian. Them started there, and I managed to finish my notes with my final year itself. But somehow it was my weakness itself that I felt I can never be a ranker. It was my feeling. I don't know why, but I had this thing that I can never be a ranker. I'm the one who can write exams and who can do well with patients, but not with MCQs. This was my thinking, and this was the only thing which was keep pulling me backwards from getting a rank. This feeling inside. Then I did a lot of. I did revisions. 2 revisions I did during my internship, and but I didn't do many questions during time of internship because I used to feel I can't do questions. I can just do notes. So I lagged in NEET itself. I didn't give GTs at also. So I scored 15,000 and something rank during with my internship last year. And then last year, June, I started for NEET 2020. But still, that feeling that I cannot be a ranker. I will only get some average rank because I don't know. I had this inferiority in my mind, and so I used to be afraid of questions.
Afraid
I
of.
was doing revision twice. Yes, sir.
But
Instead of
but now what I feel, like you are from DAM Jhalawad, from like you must be getting in PMT, you will not be getting good options of Rajasthan. That's why you have joined the medical college. But now getting rank 40 from such background, it is a big motivation for every medical, even from the private institute. They should take your interview as a motivation for working hard for getting central institutes.
So thank you so much, sir, for saying that. Uh, this only thinking was pulling me back. But when I even deteriorated during my NEET 2020, I scored rank 18,674. Then that day I felt like, no, now you have to do it. You have your parents' efforts, your family's efforts are upon you, so you have to do something. And that accountability towards my family, I think, is the biggest push that helped me to overcome this inferiority that I cannot be a ranker. So from the next day itself, 31st January, I started. I'm telling this 3-month strategy of
Yeah.
from the
We're getting like the 31st Jan after NEET 2020, you start preparing for the mid-year exam. Yeah, beta.
yeah.
So at that point of
So
time, you must be having all the class notes of DAMS with you, beta.
yes, sir.
Yeah, like you are our foundation student, so you must have written all the classroom class notes. So those class notes were with you. So how you handle those class notes in the last 4 or 5 months to get such awesome rank, beta?
Yes, sir. I had class notes, and I had already read them 3 times before I started for this. The only thing which was lagging, that I didn't have that perspective how to handle questions.
Okay.
So I started on 31st Jan with the last year previous questions with, on eMedicos. I started with them.
With doing all the
Um,
make of the e-medicals.
Yes, I love that app. I started on eMedicos on 31st itself, and then next 4 to 5 days, I just solved all the papers that so as to get how much I know at this time, what is my level of preparation at this time, and in 4 or 5 days, I got what are my weak points, which subjects to be to be stressed, and then I started reading them retrospectively, in a retrospective manner. I did questions, then I wrote topics that these are weak topics, and then retrospectively, in retrospective manner, I started studying them.
So
So now I did questions more than theory.
okay, so in the first half, in the internship, with the 1 year with the internship, you focus more on the class notes with less on the MCQs. And you will land up in a rank of 18,000. And thereafter, you just focus on the eMedicos app and you start doing MCQs in the retrospective manner. What I'm getting from your words, beta.
Yeah, yeah, mostly. Yes, sir. I focused on the, I saw, watched interviews of last year toppers, and they were saying prioritize your topics, do last year MCQs. So I did papers, and then according to them, I planned my studies that in these many days I will complete this subject and give more GTs
Give
so
more.
that I can have, so that I could have grip on all 19 subjects.
Now
My
coming,
biggest fault was yes, sir.
yeah, coming on the grand test, like one by one, we take these things. Okay, you are using grand test on the platform of eMedicos, and like last AIMS paper was slightly on the tougher side. So how you correlate the MCQs of grand test with beta AIMS question bank, like AIMS paper, last AIMS paper where you got such awesome rank of 40?
So the biggest advantage with DAMS GTs is they provide you with video solutions.
Okay.
That even if you are not in a mood to solve the whole paper after giving it to see all the explanation, you can just watch the videos and get an approach towards
Yeah.
how to solve that question. And I feel this was the only big thing which I was lagging in. I didn't have any approach towards them. So by getting the concept that yes, this is how to solve this question, to give GTs twice a week, and then I increase the frequency towards the end.
Okay.
Even thrice a week, I do that as well. Yes, sir.
So with the help of class
Is it
note, with grand test, you,
yes, sir? You're audible.
yeah, audible. Yeah. So with the help of class notes, with the grand test, you create such a awesome rank of 40. So now coming back on the strategy of the subjects, can you update which subjects you feel should be given the top priority for central institutes?
So AIMS always, what I feel has majority in mainly AIMS ask the major clinical subjects, the medicine, surgery, obs gynae, these subjects, and PSM.
Yeah.
Along with that, preclinical and paraclinical. These are the domains which I mainly focused upon.
So how was your experience with all the faculties and all the subjects while preparing for the central institutes, beta? Any specific faculty or any subject you love? Okay, yeah, this was my favorite.
My favorite, Tibhal ma'am.
Dipti Bhai.
I love her obs gynae. She's
With the maximum
she
sweat.
and yes, like they, all the dance teachers are living celebrities, which I'm not even believing that I'm seeing you today. So Deepti Bhal ma'am is my idol. Like,
That's great.
if I become, hello?
Yeah, yeah, beta, audible. You're audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now coming on the strategy of making the class notes, beta. So can you tell me, ki, like you were sitting in the satellite center of them Jhalawar and you were writing all the class notes, or you were taking help of some seniors' notes, or you have made your notes own?
So mostly I have made them by myself because I don't believe matlab, they are maximum helpful notes if you make them by yourself. One or two subjects I took from my friends because it was some vacations or something. That time I had to take from
Most of the
them.
subjects,
Otherwise, I made
out of 19, we can say more than 17 you have made of your own.
them. Yes,
So along
I
with
made them myself.
class notes and grand test, now coming on the platform of eMedicos, beta, how was all the recorded lectures like AIMS?
AIMS PG capsule was very much helpful, sir.
Okay, how was the experience of AIMS capsule for this last AIMS beta, where you got such a nice rank?
It's very, very important. I think in the last 5 days, I made notes out of AIMS PG capsule as well. I made my own notes out of that capsule as well. And in last 5 days, I had a list that these are the volatile subjects in biochem or something like autosomal recessive disorder and these and patho mutations. I revised them and I revised AIMS PG capsule in last 5 days. So that was very much helpful. I could really see that this is from that subject. This was sir was saying this. Like Sumesh sir says, teacher's voice is echo in your ears during exam. It was literally like that only.
With multiple revision, yeah, this happens in that examination hall.
Video memory is more stronger, no? So MPG capsule is very, very much important.
So we can say, like I'm just summarizing the things, class notes with all the grand tests on the eMedicos, with AIMS capsule on the eMedicos. And you must have attended our DVT, last DVT. How was your experience of DVT?
Yes, sir.
How was the experience?
It was great. It was great. I have attended last 2 year DVTs as well. So I revised them as well because I made notes out of them as well.
That's great.
DVT, they give you direct pictures from Sumesh sir, Sumesh sir's and Sumesh sir's DVT review. I watched that also.
Okay.
Before
So
exam.
all the
Direct images from that.
images which were there in the last AIMS. So you were comfortable with all the image-based MCQs, beta?
So there were not many image-based MCQs this year, unlike other previous years. But many of them were like that, yes, if you cannot choose them, at least you can rule out others.
You can rule out the other options. Okay.
Like our DAMS faculty, all of them, they say that in image-based MCQ, first see the options and then see the image. That strategy is very much helpful because you are just supposed to rule out from these four four choices, like what are you supposed to see in that image. So it was very helpful for me.
Thanks for giving such a nice guidance, beta. Now coming back on the subject strategy, like I will be sharing your experience. Why? Because you are getting such awesome rank of 40. So just tell me, beta, okay, like starting from anatomy, what is sufficient? Like a student who is preparing for the next November AIMS examination, what should be the strategy for anatomy, physio, biochemistry, first year subjects? Beta? One is class notes. You have written all the class notes of them. Along with that, what we should do extra?
So if a person is starting from the scratch, if someone is starting first time, the first revision should be a conceptual one. One should build his or her concepts, that what is it is about, and along with that they should do questions, topic wise questions. I didn't do that, but I feel this is right. Study subject, make your concepts, and along with that do questions so that you get an approach how to solve them. Then in second revision, you already have marked important, you know what are you lagging in, so do them in second and start giving subject wise tests at that time, and then same simultaneously start GTs as well, and make a list of the volatile topics to be done in last 4 or 5 days.
Apart
And
from that,
it's
first year, second year, but what was the role of first year, second year subjects in the beta central institutes? Like all patho, micropharma, anatomy, physio, the basic subjects. What you feel in central institutes, we should give them more weightage? Like all these students who are going for November AIMS.
yes, sir. For AIMS, always one should focus on first year and second year. They are very much important. AIMS is not asking simple things from them. They are asking, giving a clinical scenario based on that first and second year subjects. So studying them in an integrated manner, like DAMS always say, the clinical vignettes, they were very much helpful, sir.
Yeah.
I solved them as well in DAMS question bank.
So over the last
So
2 years,
one could,
over the last 2 years, did you appreciate the way we people are changing in an integrated way, integrated method of learning? So how it was useful to you, get a new integrated method of learning, what we follow in DAMS?
so DAMS is gold standard. There's no alternative to that. But it's very much appreciable that, because in the end we are supposed to handle a patient, and that is the integrated subjects only, like Sumer sir say. So clinical subjects, they give you these integrated questions. They give you a total orientation, like how are you supposed to deal with the patient. So it makes it easier for you to approach these questions. The only problem is that they are lengthier in reading.
But they at the end they clear your all concepts better. What I feel is the biggest advantage of clinical integrated MCQ.
Yes, like Sumer sir say, they move you forward from the rote learning concepts. They give you orientation.
So now coming back, like we are very proud to share your rank of 40, and in such a hard, stressful time when everybody is stressed under a big pressure, how you managed to study in the last 2-3 months, beta? I want this. Everybody want to ask you, okay, how it was possible for you to study in the last 50-60 days when there was a big pressure on everybody?
So yes, it was stressful time. Yes, it was, sir. But every time, I don't know how it happens. Whenever I feel that no, I can't do this, I'm not able to do this, within 2 or 3 days, I get a video from Sumer Sethi sir or Deepti Bahl ma'am on Facebook on that same topic. I think they can, all the damn faculties, they are God. They can understand what students are going through, and they are there to push you up in all the situations.
Thanks for
like this online interview itself. And apart from that, the main support, my family, my parents, my bua pupaji, my brothers, my friends, my juniors, all of them were there to push me. That you know, you can do this. This has happened for something good. You have to do this.
Yeah, this should be
having a good company. Yes, sir. It helps. So, I want to say one thing, yes, sir, please. Sure. I always wanted to say this. DAMS has just not made my career. DAMS has made me.
Thanks.
I'm very happy in saying this.
Thanks, beta. And I'm very happy. Like
I didn't have.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. Thank you for such kind words. And I just want you at the last, any special message for Jhalawar Medical College students who are struggling a lot, and just I want your motivational words will help them a lot, beta. Don't get emotional. I'm feeling you're getting emotional. That is inevitable, beta. But
no.
At last, any special message for Jhalawar?
So Jhalawar is very nice college. For first of all the faculties, they have helped me a lot during my MBBS, and it is not. It depends on you how you create it. And one thing I want to say, if you think you want that you have worked for something, but you didn't achieve up to the mark like you thought you will, then it is this is happening for something good. You are about to get something which you think that you cannot. So don't stop. Keep doing it.
Agreed. But what I have seen with, like, I am interacting the students of your college for the last 2 3 years, where somewhere I feel in the even in the morning, once I got 2 or 3 calls from your batch only. Okay, sir, it is not possible for us to get a good rank in All India. I think this thought is there, but your rank, your awesome rank of 40, have given a strong message to everybody of your college. Okay, yeah, it is very much possible to get a good rank if your concepts and everything is up to the mark.
If you don't have belief, have faith. Faith don't have questions. This is what I worked upon.
Thanks, Beta. Thanks a lot for such compliments, such kind words, and giving such a honest feedback of them. We wish you very best of luck. Again, wishes, congrats to your parents for such a nice rank, for such a nice achievement, Beta. Thank you. Thanks, Beta.
Thank you so much, sir.